I got this in my mail. It was sent to me from Banggood, and I will put the link of this product in description of my video. Here we have the manual. This is some kind of angle grinder type circular saw. It is very convenient to use. I have my own circular saw, but it is too bulky to use it every day. For dust suction, and this is some kind of fence. You have here two Allen keys. One is to lock in the fence. The increments are in centimeters. And the other Allen key is for fixing the blade. This blade is for cutting metal. This is for stone and ceramic. And these three are for wood and plywood. Here you have measurements. How deep can you plunge? It is 1 inch or 25 centimeters. We will set it to 20. Okay. You turn the screw clockwise to unlock it. Press this button to lock and then turn it clockwise. This is how you start. Press up. Now the indicator light is on, and let's test it.